Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to access a Citi mobile app from abroad, step by step. The first thing I want you to do, if you haven't already, go ahead and download the app. Click here on open, and then right here on your Citi mobile app, I want you to either sign on or you can register or activate a card. If you already have an account, you can sign on. You can click here. If you haven't accepted the terms, accept this, click on done. Okay, accept everything. But if you have not, you can register or activate a card. So click on that. We'll be registering for online access. Now you choose your account, okay? So you either use your credit card, debit card, or bank account number. In this case, I'll just choose a debit card. Click on continue. And now you need to scan your card. Position the card into the frame. Make sure the numbers are up. Or you can enter the numbers manually, or you can just scan this, okay? So there we go. It will automatically pick it up. Or you can enter the card numbers manually. The card number right there, but it has already picked it up, and then you just enter the last 4 digits of your social security number, okay? And then you continue with the process. And if you had not opened your account with your social security number, just go ahead and toggle this one, okay? Then you can go ahead and continue. Now they need to verify your identity to make sure that it's actually you. So there's two methods, either one-time passcode or a ATM pin. So choose whichever one you prefer. Let's say ATM pin. We continue with that. You enter your ATM pin, basically the 4 digit number that's linked to your debit card. Continue with that, and your card will be activated. But we're not done yet because we need to create our user ID and password for our online access. So you just choose your user ID, enter that, and then you enter your password, okay? And make sure you fulfill the password requirements for this one, right? And once you're happy, accept the terms, click on continue, and you'll be granted online access. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to find your solution.